The skeletal system is the structural foundation of our body, and it's far more than just a framework. From protecting vital organs to enabling movements, bones play a key role in our overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the parts of skeletal system, its function, and how to maintain bone health and common skeletal health issues.
A full-body skeleton with labels highlighting key bones like the skull, ribs, and femur.
The skeletal system consists of bones, cartilage, and ligaments. Bones are the hard structure that make up the skeleton. Cartilage provides cushioning at joints, and ligaments connect bones to other bones. The skeletal system is divided into two main parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton.
The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebral column, ribs, and sternum. This part of skeleton protects our most vital organs such as brain, heart, and lungs. The appendicular skeleton consists of the limbs and to the bones that connect them to the trunk, such as pelvis and shoulder girdles. This part of the skeleton allows to move and interact with the environment.
Joints are where two or more bones meet, and they enable movement. There are several types of joints. Hip joints like the knee, ball and socket joints like the shoulder and hip, and pivot joints like those in the neck.
So let's talk about the different parts of skeletal system. First is the skull. Skull is the bones that form the head. The skull is made of cranial bones that surrounded and protected the brain, and the facial bones that form the eye socket, nose, cheeks, jaw, and the other parts of the face. It is an opening at the base of spinal cord connected to the brain.
Second, humerus. The humerus is the long bone of the upper arm. It runs from the shoulder to the elbow and is important for moving the arm. The humerus has two significant ends: the head, which goes into the shoulder socket, and the elbow joint, which enables flexing and extending of the arm. Third, ribs. Ribs are bent bones that make up the rib cage, which encloses important organs such as the heart and lungs. Humans have 12 pairs of ribs, which are fixed to the spine at the back, to the sternum, breastbone at the front.
This is the ulna. It is the inner bone of the forearm located on the side opposite the thumb. It plays a crucial role in elbow movement as it connects strongly with the humerus at the elbow joint. This is the radius. It is the outer bone of the forearm located on the thumb side. It enables the forearm and hand to rotate, allowing for pronation, palm facing down, and supination, palm facing up movements. Together, the ulna and radius work to provide stability, flexibility, and motion to the forearm and wrist.
Pelvis. The pelvis is a ring-shaped bone at the base of the spine. It connects the upper body to the legs, supports weight and protects organs like the bladder and reproductive system. It consists of three bones, the ilium, ischium, and pubis. Femur. The femur or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone. It connects the hip to the knee and supports movements such as walking and running. Its upper part fits into the hip socket, ensuring flexibility and stability. Tibia. The tibia or shin bone is the larger of the two lower leg bones. It supports body weight, aids in balance, and connects the knee to the ankle, working with muscles and ligaments to enable movement.
The fibula. The fibula is a long thin bone located on the lateral side of the lower leg. Although it doesn't bear most of the body's weight, its role is crucial. It provides stability to the leg, serves as an attachment point for muscle, ligaments, and assists coordinating movements. Fibula is essential for balance and muscle function of the skeletal system.
Bones give our body structure and support our weight. Without bones, we could collapse into shapeless form.
Bones protect our internal organs. For example, the skull shields the brain, the ribcage protects the heart and lungs, and the spine safeguards the spinal cord.
Bones act as levers that work with muscles to produce movements. The joints allow for different ranges of motions, whether it's bending, rotating, or extending.
Blood cell production. Within certain bones like the pelvis and sternum, bone marrow produces blood cells. These include red blood cells for oxygen, transport white blood cells for immune defense, and platelets for clotting.
The bones store minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are released into the bloodstream as needed for various bodily functions, including muscle contraction and nerve signaling.
For proper diet, a healthy diet is crucial for maintaining strong bones. Calcium is essential for bone health, so eat plenty of dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods.
Weight-bearing exercises such as walking, running, and strength training are excellent for keeping bones strong. These activities stimulate bone growth and help maintain bone density.
Getting enough sunlight is essential for producing vitamin D, which is vital for calcium absorption. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week.
Moderating alcohol consumption is crucial for maintaining strong bones. Excessive alcohol interferes with calcium absorption and weaken bone density. By limiting your alcohol intake, you are giving your bones the best chance to stay healthy and resilient.
First, exercise regularly. Engaging in weight-bearing activities like walking or jogging helps strengthen bones and improve bone density. Get enough calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for the bone health as calcium strengthens bones and vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can weaken bones and increase the risk of fractures and osteoporosis.
Common health issue. Number 1, fractures, broken bones from accident or falls. Number 2, osteoporosis, a condition where bones lose their strength and become brittle and the risk of fracture is raised. Number 3, arthritis, inflammation of the joints which lead to pain and stiffness. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition where bones become weak and brittle due to a loss of bone mass. It is more common in older adults, particularly postmenopausal women.
Arthritis is inflammation of the joints, often causing pain, stiffness, and swelling. There are two common types, which is osteoarthritis, caused by wear and tear, and rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune disease.
Fractures or broken bones are caused by trauma, accident, or falls. They can range from simple cracks or complex breaks, requiring medical attention or sometimes surgery.
To prevent skeletal health problems, ensure you are getting enough calcium and vitamin D. Engage in regular weight-bearing exercise and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Regular checkups with your doctor, especially as you age, can also help detect and manage bone-related health issues early on.
Our skeletal system plays an indispensable role in how we live and move. By taking good care of our bones, we can ensure that we remain strong and active throughout our lives. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and take care of your bones.